cooking channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some keto potato salad. Some keto cauliflower potato salad today. So I got my cauliflower here, and I have a pot of salted water over there that I'm going to place this cauliflower in after I cut it up in small pieces. I'm going to add it to the hot water over there. And I have already boiled my eggs. I have 6 eggs here that I boiled already. So let me get started on the cauliflower. Okay, I cut up the cauliflower into small pieces, kind of like what you would have as potatoes. And I have some pickles here. I think I'm going to use a half a cup of pickles in this dish, this cauliflower potato salad. All right, I will give you the ingredients as I go along. I have a hot pot of water over here boiling for cauliflower pieces to go in. So I'm going to go ahead and place them in this hot water. I let the cauliflowers cook for about 14 minutes, and you want them to be fork tender, so that's why I let them cook for 14 minutes. Sweet picker, I have 1 cup of sweet pickles that I made. I have 2 stalks of celery that I'm gonna chop up. I have 1/4 of a whole onion I'm gonna chop up. I'm gonna chop all of this up in my food processor. Okay, and my 6 eggs over here. I have my mustard, and I will have to take out my mayo. Here's the 2 stalks of celery. I'm gonna go ahead and add the onions to the bowl here. And now I'm gonna add the pickles and grind those up. There's a few that didn't get chopped up, so that's what I'm doing, chopping them up with my hand. Okay. Mix this up. I'm just finding some pickles that are not cut up as small as I like, so I'm gonna just chop them with this knife here. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and grate the eggs in this bowl. This is my Southern cauliflower keto recipe potato salad. It is really good. I'm telling you, you won't miss the potatoes. It's gonna be delicious. This is low carb as well. Okay, that was 6 eggs, and here's the last one going in. There we go. I let it drain for about 30 minutes over there, so it won't be real wet. Put this over here. mix up everything. Oh, let me add my oregano to my potato salad. I'm doing about a tablespoon of oregano. Okay, and I'm gonna add some black pepper. Okay, and I'm gonna add some Bear mustard, about 3 tablespoons of mustard. And let me add I'm adding my mayo. I'm gonna do about a cup of mayo. This is about all that's in this jar. I got another jar of mayo. Let me mix this up. Right, let me get the other jar of mayo. Hold on a second. Okay, I added a cup of mayo to this bowl here. And I'm gonna mix it up. It smells so good. Ooh, smells so good. Now this was a whole head of cauliflower. Really, really good. I'm gonna taste it to see if it needs enough salt. Just a tad more. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon more salt. And I have 1 lemon I'm gonna add in here. The other half of the lemon. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle a little paprika on the top of it. It looks delicious. So let me show it to you. That looks absolutely delicious. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.